America is home to some of the most breathtaking landscapes in the world, from towering mountains and cascading waterfalls to vast canyons and lush forests. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a nature lover, or a traveler looking for awe-inspiring scenery, the United States offers endless beauty and exploration. Join us as we explore the 15 most beautiful destinations in America. The Grand Canyon is one of the most iconic natural wonders on Earth. Carved by the Colorado River over millions of years, its immense cliffs and layered rock formations tell the story of Earth's geological past. The canyon stretches 277 miles in length and plunges over a mile deep, making it one of the most awe-inspiring landscapes in the world. One of the best ways to experience the canyon's vastness is by hiking the South Kaibab Trail, which offers breathtaking panoramic views and leads to U'a Point, one of the most photographed spots in the park. For a completely different perspective, take a helicopter tour over the canyon, where you can witness the sheer size and beauty of this natural masterpiece from above. Sunset at Hopi Point is another unforgettable experience where the canyon walls glow in deep reds and oranges as the sun dips below the horizon. Yellowstone National Park is America's first national park and home to a diverse landscape of geysers, waterfalls, and wildlife. Covering over 2.2 million acres, it sits atop a supervolcano, creating one of the most geothermally active places on Earth. One of its most famous attractions is Old Faithful, a geyser that erupts with stunning precision, sending boiling water up to 180 feet in the air every 90 minutes. Another must-do activity is visiting Grand Prismatic Spring, the largest hot spring in the U.S., famous for its vibrant rainbow-colored waters created by heat-loving microorganisms. To experience Yellowstone's abundant wildlife, drive through Lamar Valley, often called the Serengeti of North America, where you can see bison herds, grizzly bears, and even wolves roaming freely. Yosemite National Park is a paradise of towering granite cliffs, giant waterfalls, and lush valleys. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a dream for hikers, photographers, and adventure seekers. With over 750 miles of hiking trails, Yosemite offers something for everyone, from beginners to experienced climbers. One of the most famous hikes in the park is the Half Dome Trail, a challenging yet rewarding trek that takes visitors to the top of one of Yosemite's most iconic rock formations. Another must-see is Yosemite Falls, one of the tallest waterfalls in North America, cascading 2,425 feet from the cliffs above. For a breathtaking view, head to Glacier Point, where you can see Yosemite Valley, Half Dome, and Nevada Falls all in one panoramic scene. Nicknamed the crown of the continent, Glacier National Park is home to majestic mountains, pristine lakes, and breathtaking glaciers. Covering over 1 million acres, this park features over 130 named lakes and 700 miles of trails, making it a hiker's paradise. A scenic drive along the Going to the Sun Road is a must, offering panoramic views of the park's dramatic landscapes and wildlife. For those looking to experience Glacier's pristine beauty up close, hiking to Hidden Lake Overlook provides stunning alpine scenery, wildflower meadows, and possible sightings of mountain goats. To truly immerse yourself in the wilderness, take a boat tour on Lake McDonald, where the crystal-clear waters reflect the surrounding mountains like a mirror. The Great Smoky Mountains, known for their misty blue ridges and diverse wildlife, are the most visited national park in the U.S. With over 800 miles of hiking trails, this park is perfect for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. One of the best ways to experience its beauty is by hiking to Clingman's Dome, the highest peak in the park, where a 360-degree observation tower offers incredible views of the rolling mountains. Another must-do is driving along Cades Cove Loop, a scenic 11-mile road where visitors can spot black bears, deer, and wild turkeys in their natural habitat. For an unforgettable autumn experience, visit in the fall when the Smokies explode in brilliant shades of red, orange, and gold. Niagara Falls, one of the most powerful and breathtaking waterfalls in the world, sits on the border between the United States and Canada. The falls consist of 3 sections: Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls, each offering its own spectacular view. Over 3,160 tons of water flow over Niagara Falls every second, creating a thunderous roar that can be heard from miles away. For an up-close encounter, take a Maid of the Mist boat tour, which brings you right to the base of the roaring falls, where the mist and sound of the water create an unforgettable experience. Another must-visit spot is Cave of the Winds, where visitors can walk along wooden platforms just feet away from Bridal Veil Falls, feeling the full force of the cascading water. For a panoramic view, visit the observation tower, which extends over the Niagara Gorge, offering breathtaking scenery of the falls and beyond. Lake Tahoe, a breathtaking alpine lake straddling the border of California and Nevada, is one of the deepest and clearest lakes in the world. With its turquoise-blue waters surrounded by snow-capped peaks, this destination is a paradise for outdoor lovers year-round. In the summer, visitors can enjoy kayaking or paddleboarding on Emerald Bay, one of the most scenic areas of the lake, known for its crystal-clear waters and the famous Fanette Island. During winter, skiing or snowboarding at Heavenly Resort offers breathtaking views of the lake from the slopes. For a relaxing experience, take a scenic drive around the lake, stopping at spots like Sand Harbor for picturesque beaches and stunning sunset views. Bryce Canyon National Park is famous for its otherworldly hoodoos, tall, thin spires of rock shaped by millions of years of erosion. The park's vivid red, orange, and pink rock formations make it one of the most unique landscapes in the world. One of the best ways to explore the park is by hiking the Navajo Loop Trail, which takes visitors down into the heart of the hoodoos, offering spectacular views of Wall Street, a narrow slot canyon lined with towering rock walls. For an unforgettable experience, visit Bryce at night for stargazing, as the park has some of the clearest night skies in the country. The high elevation and lack of light pollution make it possible to see thousands of stars, planets, and even the Milky Way galaxy with the naked eye. Denali National Park, home to North America's tallest peak, Denali, formerly Mount McKinley, is a haven for adventure seekers. Covering over 6 million acres, the park is a wilderness sanctuary filled with rugged mountains, glacial rivers, and diverse wildlife. Take a wildlife bus tour through the park to spot grizzly bears, moose, caribou, and wolves. These tours provide the best chance to see Denali's rich ecosystem while traveling along the only road in the park, which stretches for 92 miles into the remote Alaskan wilderness. For a more immersive experience, try hiking the Savage River Trail, offering incredible views of the untamed Alaskan landscape. On a clear day, visitors can see Denali towering at 20,310 feet, creating an awe-inspiring backdrop to the pristine wilderness. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is a land of fire and transformation, home to two of the world's most active volcanoes, Kilauea and Mauna Loa. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a rare chance to witness Earth's raw volcanic power up close. One of the most thrilling activities is hiking across the Kilauea Iki crater, a hardened lava lake that was once an active, bubbling pool of molten rock. Visitors can also drive along the Chain of Craters Road, which leads to cliffside lava flows and offers a stunning contrast between the black volcanic rock and the deep blue Pacific Ocean. The Jagger Museum and Halemaumau crater overlook provide a safe but breathtaking view of lava glowing inside the caldera, lighting up the night sky. Sedona, often called the Red Rock Wonderland, is a place of breathtaking natural beauty and spiritual energy. With its towering sandstone formations, vibrant sunsets, and hidden canyons, Sedona is an outdoor lover's paradise. One of the best ways to experience Sedona is by hiking Cathedral Rock Trail, a steep but rewarding climb that offers incredible panoramic views of the surrounding red rock formations. Sedona is also known for its spiritual vortex sites, believed to be areas of concentrated energy that attract visitors seeking healing and meditation. For a scenic adventure, take a pink Jeep tour through the rugged terrain of Broken Arrow Trail, where you'll traverse steep rock faces and enjoy jaw-dropping views. Acadia National Park is the crown jewel of the northeastern United States, offering dramatic coastlines, towering mountains, and pristine forests. The park covers over 47,000 acres on Maine's rugged Atlantic coastline, making it an ideal destination for nature lovers. A must-do experience is hiking to the summit of Cadillac Mountain, the highest point on the U.S. East Coast, where visitors can watch the first sunrise in America during certain times of the year. Another incredible activity is driving the Park Loop Road, a scenic route that takes travelers past Thunder Hole, a natural rock inlet where ocean waves crash with incredible force, creating a thunderous sound. Antelope Canyon, a breathtaking slot canyon carved by wind and water, is one of the most photographed natural wonders in the U.S. Its smooth, swirling sandstone walls glow in shades of orange, red, and pink as sunlight filters through the narrow openings above. Visitors can explore the canyon by taking a guided tour of Upper Antelope Canyon, where the famous light beams create mesmerizing photo opportunities. For a more adventurous experience, head to Lower Antelope Canyon, which requires climbing ladders and navigating through narrow passageways for an unforgettable, up-close look at this geological masterpiece. Everglades National Park, the largest subtropical wilderness in the U.S., is home to a vast network of wetlands, mangroves, and slow-moving rivers. This unique ecosystem is one of the best places in the world to see alligators, manatees, and exotic birds. One of the best ways to explore is by taking an airboat tour through the vast sawgrass marshes, where you can see alligators gliding through the water and herons soaring above. Another must-do is kayaking through the mangrove tunnels, offering a peaceful and immersive way to experience the diverse wildlife and unique beauty of the Everglades. Mount Rainier National Park, dominated by the 14,410-foot stratovolcano Mount Rainier, is a land of towering peaks, wildflower-filled meadows, and cascading waterfalls. One of the most scenic hikes is the Skyline Trail to Panorama Point, where visitors are rewarded with breathtaking views of the mountain, glaciers, and surrounding valleys. Another highlight is visiting Paradise Valley, especially in summer when the meadows burst into bloom with vibrant wildflowers, creating a picture-perfect landscape. From the towering cliffs of Yosemite to the glacial wonders of Alaska, America is a land of stunning natural beauty and endless adventure. Whether you're drawn to canyons, mountains, waterfalls, or volcanoes, there's something for every traveler to explore. Each of these destinations tells its own unique story, shaped by millions of years of natural history. Whether you're watching the sunrise over the Grand Canyon, hiking through the snow-capped peaks of Glacier National Park, or feeling the mist of Niagara Falls, these landscapes create memories that last a lifetime. Which of these destinations is on your bucket list? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure.